So I make custom Korok keycaps, and I think this design is the best one yet. We're making Makar. Let's just get him on that cute little patch of grass, shall we? Now I'm just attaching the arms. He a little thick. Now for his leafy face, that's the good stuff right there. I use acrylic pens after it's been baked, and a toothpick for the really fine details, and some good old UV resin, so he can get tapped all day long. I really wanted to keep this little guy. Just look at Makar on his little patch of grass.